How to add shipping address on Pandora Jewellery account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Go ahead and open your preferred browser and then navigate to the official website of Pandora Jewellery. You can type in us.pandora.net. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the top right, you will find this icon. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now over here, provide your Pandora account's credentials, email address and password. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in and continue. After you log in, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you will find this section of address book. Under that, you will find the option of add new. You have to click on that option. Now you have to fill these. First, you can give a title to your address. Likewise, type your first name, last name, and then address line. Address line 2. Likewise, select your city. Type in your zip code, street address, and then select your country. And lastly, you have to type in your phone number. After you provide all of your details, you can click on the option of save given at the very bottom, and with that your shipping address will be updated. So this way you can easily add shipping address in your Pandora Jewellery account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.